Hey guys, what is up? And today, I'm going to show you something that is pretty cool. I've been working on it for the last 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. But this bad boy, this is a road tiller, if none of you don't know. Um, I took apart this whole thing because I got this guy for free. And this is the engine that it came with. I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be showing people how to put this together. This is my first engine I've ever gotten, so I don't know much about it. But I think I fixed the tuning. That was the first thing I did with this thing. I took it apart, took all the bees nests out. It had literally about 15 bees nests in this thing. Yeah, it's been sitting forever. But there's the time here. If any of you adults are watching this and you all are mechanics, let me know if this is right, because this goes in. Pretty sure this is gas, because it's all burnt up and stuff. Of course it is. Gas comes in, compresses, and comes out as exhaust. And that's about it, really. And that's about it. That's here, and I'm gonna clean here. The inside of here is a bit rusty, and then there's the carburetors thing right here. And I don't know if this is still good, so we might have to replace that. But yeah. And then I need to get a couple new springs for the inside right here, for right down there. Anyways, let's get started. Let me see if I can place it right here. I gotta be a little closer. Let's see. See if I can get this. If you didn't like that, there we go. Anyways, this is the engine, and we are gonna put this thing together. This is gonna be used as a go-kart, I think. I don't know if it's gonna be able to, but we'll see. But yeah, let's do this. So, this is my first time ever trying to put together video for an automotive thing. So trying to remember how I took this thing apart. So I'm pretty sure it was the head right here that I took off first. This is the head, and yeah. So the head. Yeah, so I was right. The head goes on here. Line up the holes. There's a couple of screws here. I got a couple of screws. Let's see if I can fit these guys onto here. Now that's probably in the way, isn't it? See if I can slide it. See if that fits. Oops. Yep. Yeah, fit perfectly. Stick you in there. Grab another one. Stick you in there. Got another one. Stick him in here. Got another guy. Stick him in here. No, not in here. There. Now we gotta put this on. I'm gonna pause the video and see, and you guys will see after all this screwing, okay? Alright, guys. So there, I have it. Now, all the bolts are screwed for the head. Now, this little guy over here goes right over here. Pretty sure. Oh, wait. Now. I don't quite know where this part, I don't quite remember where this part goes. That's my cat. Aha. So, I obviously forgot to put it on apart. Stupid, silly me. My cat is in here to say hi if you saw her. My cat is in here to say hi if you guys saw her. She's over there. She's over there hanging out by the new bike. So I gotta take all these I gotta take these three parts off. Might take a while. I might have to do this video in a couple sections. But hey, it'll be worth it. I'll finally figure out how to put together an engine and take it apart. So there she is. You guys might see her. Hey, girl. Hi. She's being curious. She's being curious George right now. So I'm going to stretch my leg out here so you guys don't get in the camera. Okay. Yeah, it goes right here. I forgot about it. I didn't know. So I gotta put these guys back in. Just have one more guy. So I'll pause the video again just to save you guys some time. Okay. If you guys are wondering what you guys are, my phone's standing on, it's standing on a Sorry. It's standing on a WD-40 can. So I don't got a camera stand to put in here, so it's just standing up on the floor. Alright. There's that. Now, this part goes. Be sure. I don't quite know where this guy goes either. I'm not very smart with auto mechanics, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. There's that. Found it. I'll pull you out. That question is, do I have the screw for you? Yes, I do. So I gotta screw you. Small little guy. You fit? No. You. Huh. I can put you back. A little bigger. Huh. I just had it here somewhere. Ah, right there. Maybe not. If you guys know where to find some spare parts for this engine, please let me know. Because I don't know where to find some good parts replacements for this guy. Because this guy... There goes a screw. This guy... Yes, needs a new spark plug. Needs some new springs for the part, like I said earlier. Ah, hold on. I think I found it. There, boy. Make a meme about that. Perfect fit. See, I knew I left him out here somewhere. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to figure this out on my own. You see, I'll unpause the video when I figure this out. Alright, guys. I found the screw. Apparently, I was using the wrong one. It's this little guy right here. You all can see that. Now we can put it in. But yeah, make sure it fits there. Now, I had that other nut somewhere. There we go. Found him. Gonna put this guy together. He's gonna look like a beautiful boy, ain't he? There we go. And now, we put the muffler in, which is this guy right here. This guy ain't coming off. There we go. Just needed a little tap. And hopefully it doesn't get stuck again. I gotta stick you through there. Stick this one through there. Spin you around, around and around. And this is where you go. This guy ain't going in there. There we go. Now, here's you. Don't do that. A cat's scratching on the door. Don't want that. There we go. Pat, pat. Let's see. Got a couple of minutes left. Alright, guys. So that's this guy. That's most of this. Half of this guy is here. Now, if I don't knock over these things over here. There you go. I gotta grab these three parts. No, not this. These two parts over here. This thing here had the most webs I could see for a month. Got to clean them up a little. Alright, there's the front of this guy. As you guys can see, it is a Briggs & Stratton engine. 5 horsepower. Now. Yeah, it goes right here. Now this, spin it around. Now there's the Now here is the part where the filter is in. Now the filter will go right here. Put it there. Got the 2 screws. Here's 1, and there's 2. Screw goes on top. This is actually a pretty fun way to build this. I've actually had quite fun taking this guy apart. I don't know why I say guy a lot for this. I call him Henry. LOL. I might just name him Henry too. I might call him good old Henry. A dead wasp in here. Might need to replace this filter too, as well. We're just going to put it in there for now. But see, here's my cat again, if you guys can see her. She's over there. Come here, bud. Come here, Kate. You gonna go around? Come here. Come here. Oh, she's just rubbing against the wall. That's how you know the cat loves you. Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. That girl. Well, you don't want to touch with that hand or that hand. I can't pet you right now, but that's Brain. If you guys know the Pinky and the Brain, that's where her name comes from. Anyways, don't want to strip it now. Just want to get it nice and tight. There we go. Now, got this boy right here. I'm going to put you on there somehow. If I don't scratch my fingers with it. Okay. Alright, let's put this guy on. This guy was supposed to go over yonder. There and there. There's one screw I left out on the head. It's right here. Luckily, it wasn't a part I had to take off and put something under it. There we go. Now there should be a couple more bolts left. These two go on here. Now, yep, like I said, there was one on the bottom. There's one guy that was fixed down here. I might need a big bolt guy for this. Perfect. That's perfect. Put in there. Keep smacking the gas. Just gonna roll them in there and then use it. Smart me. Big brain. Him. Alright guys, that's it for the video today. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe if you want more videos, and I hope you guys like the video. Bye now.